YouTube, what is up, man? I'm back here with another video. If you're new to my channel, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, turn on post notifications, and share. This channel is nothing but Mopar content, car content, anything vehicle related happens on this channel. So if you're into that, this is the channel for you. And today's video is a little different. All right. If you go to my community page on my profile YouTube, you will see that I got into a slight little car accident. Dude ran a stop sign and he hit the side of my car, so my car is dented up, scratched up. So my car's in the shop right now. So just had to throw that out there. I'm in my living room right now doing this video. I'll get my car back sometime this week or next week. Really, there's no timetable. I'm just saying that, hoping I do. But yeah, my car's in the shop. All right, I'll keep y'all posted on when I get it, when I get the information from the people, the bump shop. They'll let me know when I get it back. So I am doing my video in my living room. So this is still gonna be a car vlog / house vlog. All right. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about these Scat Pack prices and Hellcat prices dropping. And when I say dropping, I mean by the end of this year, if you in the market for a Hellcat, Scat Pack, RT, stay in the market, because after this year, bro, they're gonna flop, bro. These prices are dropping. All right. So we're gonna get into that real quick, and I'm gonna catch y'all. All right, YouTube. So we start off with Scats. Now this is just new. This is new. So if you're in the new market, expect this. But if you're in the used market, you know what I'm saying? See, this is new, 71. That's outrageous. That's a Hellcat right there. But let's go ahead. Look, this is a 2023. Only got 1K miles used. And this is a 2023 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. And it's 58. That's doable. The RTs, let me get started with the RTs. The RTs as well are going to be heavily discounted. So if you're trying to get in the market for RT, there's your thing right there. 2021 Dodge Charger Scat, 40K, 41,000 miles. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my bad. It don't matter how many miles is on it, man. If you want to pick your poison, if you want to be picky, that's you. But that is a decent price for a Scat, especially if it's a 2021. Let's keep going. We're not looking at new right now, but if you want to look at new, that's fine. Still 63. Look at this one, 49. See? They're dropping. I'm telling you, these were in the 50s a while ago. 2021 Dodge Charger Scat Pack, 46, 14K miles. Come on now. They're dropping. I'm telling y'all. I think that's just a GT. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Wow. 2020 Dodge Charger Scat, 40K, 44,000 miles on it. Bro, that is insane. And the list just goes on and on, man. They're in the 50s, the 40s. You know what I'm saying? If you're in the market for a Scat, man, if you want to get them now, you can get them now. But if you want to wait till they drop even more at the end of the year, go ahead and do that. But see, this is a new, oh, that's an RT. I think, yeah, that's an RT. Oh, that's a Scat. Yep, that's a Scat. RT Scat. 57, but it's new. You see what I'm saying? This is new, 57. The other one was like 63 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? That ain't even, see, look at the difference. It's used 100. Oh, got 123. Wow, 123 miles is crazy work. All right, let me type in the Hellcats now. All right, YouTube, we are now on to the Hellcats, and this is just in my area. Like, I don't know what area anybody else is in, but still search because the prices are dropping. Let's go right here. 2019 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, $43,000. That is insane, bro. 50K miles. That's a steal, and this is a Charger. They want 44, 45K for it, bro. Bro, what? 2018, now this is 2018, 2019s. The 2020s and above are probably going to be a little more, but still, bro, Hellcat's a Hellcat. 2018 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat, 38. That's crazy. 50K miles. We're not looking at the Durangos. That is insane. This is 698 miles used. 89, that's pushing it. That's pushing it. Not going to lie. Let's go over here. 2020 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat. And it's a wide body. If you cannot tell, I'm sorry. Let me let that focus. This is a wide body. 57,000. Get on that. 57,000, bro. Oh, hold on. I seen another one. Let me go back. I'm on my laptop, by the way, if you got. Cause yep, 2016 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat 40K. That is insane. Look at this new 71 for a new. Nah, man. You might as well buy a Hellcat if you're gonna spend 70K on a Scat pack. Right here, this. Oh, no, that's a Scat. Let's go to Hellcat. Right here, 2023 Dodge Charger SR 84. Pushing it, bro. Hell no. Yeah, bottom line, man. At the end of the year, some of these Hellcats and Scat packs will be cheaper, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all. Sorry, YouTube. This is just gonna be a quick little video. Yeah, for the 2024-2025 inventory, they're gonna have to remove these Scats and Cats off their lots. They gonna have to, because they need space for the new inventory, and they have to drop these prices. If you're in the market as well as I am, I'm in the market. I'm trying to trade my Scat for a Cat right now, but I'm waiting. I'm still gonna pay off my car a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Get my credit right, all of that shit, and then towards close to the end of the year, I should be able to trade it in. But if you're in the market, be patient. They're gonna drop these prices. These Cats ain't going nowhere. These Scats ain't going nowhere. Trust me, bro. They're gonna be flooded on these dealerships, and they're trying to get them out. And what Dodge is doing right now, first, they're trying to get rid of the GTs and the SXTs. And the Grand Cherokee, they're trying to get rid of all of the lower trims first. And then they're gonna start working their way up to the Scats, Cats, RTs, blah, blah, blah. The Durangos and the Demons, those are staying where they at. No one's touching those, because I don't think they're ever gonna drop the prices on them shits, bro. It's crazy. That's crazy work. It's diabolical. It's all of that. But if you are in the market, man, for a Hellcat, stay consistent with your money. Have faith, man. You'll get it. Trust me, you'll get it. Credit right, money. It's the sky's the limit, bro. So that's gonna conclude today's short little video, man. We all trying to get our hands on a Cat, on a Scat. These cars are fun, bro. It's the best muscle cars in the world. I'm sorry, I'm probably being biased, but it's all about upgrading. It's all about having fun. You only live once, bro. So if you want it, go get it. No one's gonna stop you. The only person who can stop you from getting something is you. Just remember that. All right, so that's gonna conclude today's video, man. Hopefully I get my car back sometime this week, and then we're gonna go crazy with the content. All right, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and share, and I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace.